AI isn't a futuristic concept anymore. It's right here, shaping our lives every single day. From the smartphones in our hands to hospitals, from massive factories to social media, AI is literally everywhere. But behind this incredible innovation, there are shocking truths that reveal the hidden side of this technology. Today on Face Explainer, we are going to uncover 5 shocking facts about AI that will completely change how you look at the future.
Fact number 1. Human voices you can't tell apart. Imagine this. You hear a voice that sounds 100% real, but in reality, that voice doesn't belong to any human being on Earth. Advanced AI tools can now generate voices that perfectly mimic human tone, emotion, and even the natural pauses and breaths in speech. This is great for audiobooks or customer service, but at the same time, it's extremely dangerous. Scammers are now using AI voices to clone the voices of your family, friends, or celebrities, tricking you into sending money or sharing your private data. The line between real and fake is disappearing. Fact number 2. Writing whole books in minutes. Just a few years ago, writing a book or a novel took months or even years of hard work and research. Today, the game has completely changed. Advanced AI models can write full novels, detailed research papers, or textbooks in just a few minutes with a single click. This opens huge doors for faster learning and creativity, but it also raises creepy questions. Who actually owns this content? And what will happen to human writers when machines can write faster and way cheaper?
Number 3. Diagnosing diseases faster than doctors. AI is turning the medical world upside down. Tech platforms are analyzing medical data, X-rays, and patient records at an insane speed that beats human capability. In some real cases, AI managed to detect cancer at very early stages that human doctors completely missed. This breakthrough can save millions of lives. That's true, but it also creates heavy ethical dilemmas. Can we really trust a machine and lines of code with life or death decisions? And who is legally responsible if the AI makes a mistake? Fact number 4.
Robots are replacing jobs. In factories and warehouses across the globe, AI-powered robots are taking over tasks once done by humans. They lift, assemble, move, and even interact, tirelessly, efficiently, and without complaint. No sick days, no vacations, no breaks. Just endless productivity. For investors, this is the ultimate dream. Higher profits, lower costs. But for millions of workers, it's a nightmare unfolding in real time. Traditional jobs are vanishing, and the question remains, where will these workers go?
Fact number 5. Secret control over social media. You might think that you are the one choosing what to watch online and that you are scrolling completely by your own free will. But actually, AI is secretly deciding everything for you with extreme precision. Social media algorithms track your every move. They monitor your behavior, predict your interests, and push the exact videos and posts that keep you hooked and glued to the screen for as long as possible. AI here isn't just entertaining you. It's shaping your opinions, influencing your choices, and controlling your emotions on a global scale. The power of these algorithms is way bigger than most people imagine. These 5 shocking facts prove that AI is not just a passing tech trend. It is a massive power, a huge risk, and a terrifying responsibility. From fake voices to vanishing jobs, and from medical diagnosis to controlling what we see online, our world is changing in ways we never imagined. And the final question I leave you with today: will we control AI in the future, or will AI control us? If you like this video and want to uncover more truths about the digital world, don't forget to subscribe to Face Explainer and hit the bell icon.